In Blender, to add any PBR material, go to any website which offers free PBR materials. Mine is from Free PBR. Once you've selected your PBR material, just download it. After you have downloaded the PBR, extract it into a desired folder location and open the files. You will see all the maps inside it. Now open Blender. Let's delete everything and add a simple plane. As you can see, there are no subdivisions in this, so we'll tab into edit mode and create subdivisions. The more the subdivisions, the better the result would be. But at the same time, more the subdivisions would also mean a heavy and laggy scene. Now let's select render preview. Right now we are in EV, so let's switch to cycles. And if you have a GPU, just enable GPU, or if not, you can continue with the CPU. I'm going to reduce the max samples as well so that we have real-time renders. Next, I'll just be adding a simple area light just to see how the finish would look like. Next, let's create a new material. You can name whatever you want for this material that you create. Now, let's split our screen into two sections and select shader editor. This is where we will be toggling our materials. Blender has an inbuilt add-on where you can apply all these PBR textures. Go to edit, preferences and add-ons and just type node wrangler. Make sure this is enabled. Next, select the principal BSDF and hit Ctrl-Shift-T. Next, choose the maps from the desired folder locations wherever you have saved it. We don't need this. Select all the maps other than the preview. Now you can see that our material has been directly applied. It looks pretty decent, but if you see from the side view, it still looks like a 2D plane. It looks like a 3D texture from the top view, but when you go to the side view, it doesn't look. It looks like a flat plane. Let's fix this. Go to your material settings. Over here in the section of displacement, instead of bump only, switch this to displacement only. As you can see, the entire plane has been displaced. Now you can go to your materials and you can adjust the scale of the displacement. That looks so much better. And that's how you can attach PBR textures to your Blender models. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials.